Hello and a very warm welcome to all of you. You're watching Game for Gold. I'm Gaurav Kala. Less than 3 weeks remain for the greatest sporting spectacle on earth to begin in London, and it promises to be an absolutely awesome show. The Indian fans have a big reason to be excited this time around. We're sending our biggest ever contingent to the Olympics, and because of that, hopes of a record medals haul from the Olympic Games are at an all-time high as well. We here at Game for Gold over the last few weeks have been bringing you our athletes who are London bound so you can feel a little more closer to them. You can experience their pain and their sweat that they've endured in their bid to bring glory to the country. Now, over the past week, some of our top athletes were given a grand send-off by the IOA, even as the hockey team continued their Olympic preparations in Europe. Here's a quick wrap of all the Olympic news this past week.
Expectations from India's Olympic-bound contingent have been soaring as the date for the mega event is nearing. Some of the top medal contenders like boxing queen MC Mary Kom and double trap shooter Ranjan Sodhi were among the 7 athletes who were given a warm send-off by the Indian Olympic Association on Monday. India is sending its largest ever contingent to the Olympics this year, with as many as 84 athletes having qualified for the London Games.
From India again, more comes here for singing.
Indian hockey team continued their impressive build-up to the Olympics, holding Spain to a 3-3 draw in the first hockey test in Santander. Ranked 10th in the world, India trailed twice in the match, but bounced back in style to hold the number 5 ranked team. Tushar Khandekar, Gurvinder Singh Chandi and SBO Thappa were the scorers for India. The Indian tennis players' preparation for the Olympics received a setback as all the players barring Leander Paes made an early exit from Wimbledon. While Mahesh Bhupathi and Rohan Bopanna crashed out in the second round, Paes and his partner Radek Stepanek made a third round exit from the men's doubles. Sania Mirza also went out in the third round of the women's doubles and failed to move past the second round in the mixed doubles event with Bhupathi. Only Paes managed to advance to the semi-final of the mixed doubles along with his partner Elena Vesnina.